Well, let's spend the last chapter of today's show to explain people how they can fight against it. We see in front of us, they are planning to implement 15-minute cities. That means we will not move more than 15 minutes from our apartment. They said that we will save our planet with that. Also, they will implement central bank digital currency. This digital currency will be programmable and also can program our money that can be used only for purposes that somebody else programmed it before. That means it will not be our money. We will use it only under some conditions. Also, they will continue with these pandemics. We know we are hearing all the time there will be new disease X. And also we are here that war is in front of us. What would you suggest to each one of our audience how to fight against that?
It's easy. Everything that you need is already given to you by the Creator. But your vessel is polluted. And if you want full access to the full armor that you'll need to wage this battle with a very ancient evil, you will have to basically go back and reconnect with nature, with natural food, natural sleep cycles, natural entertainment, natural connection, natural sunlight. And this will activate the strength systems that are already inside of you. So you're not going to find any solution outside yourself. It will be in your own habits. And these are old cycles, almost dictated by the movement of the stars. These are cosmic cycles, cosmic battles between good and evil. But what you can do and the power that you have is when you get up, you live a healthy, moral, and ethical lifestyle. And by example, other people will watch you, the subconscious of other people will watch you, and they will follow your lead. You will become the leader. So you turn away from anything that brings you away from morality or ethics or justice or care or compassion, family, the care of children, protecting your elders. You turn away from it, and every time you turn away from it and make a daily decision to go back to where you belong and remember who you are, you will get stronger and stronger and stronger. And the current, the electrical current that was always yours will move away from the ruling group, and the power and the charge will go back to you as a human being. And it's only in your full power where you remember who you are, that you'll be able to figure out a way to defeat this evil, where you are and what evil you're facing. You will get the message, but you have to get your antenna finely tuned. And if you're drinking or smoking or eating processed food, or you live in fear, you watch people murder each other on Netflix or actors, you're going to be so far away from the vibration and the frequency to figure out how to move ahead that you'll never get the signal. You'll never get the call from, basically, you'll never get the call from God to figure out what to do. You'll only pick up the devil's Wi-Fi. It's time to pick up God's Wi-Fi. Remember who you are.
Yes, but we are surrounded with these impulses, and they are dragging us all the time. It's not really easy every day to fight against it. How we can recognize when the evil, we can call it today evil, is trying to drag us in their pattern and keep us controlled?
I think the easiest way to assess evil and understand it's about progress, not perfection. So if you're having something bad daily, if you cut it down by 20%, it's still a complete win. But the word evil is live spelled backwards. The word devil is lived spelled backwards. Anything that kills life prematurely is evil by definition. So anything that jeopardizes life is evil, and they can turn you evil too because you have life in yourself. If you drink a bottle of wine every night, you're going to die 10 years earlier than you should. You're killing the life inside of yourself. And again, these are big temptations. The subconscious is involved. They're going to trick you to drink alcohol, trick you to smoke, trick you to watch Netflix. Again, it's about progress, not perfection. Do it a little bit at a time. Make yearly goals. Cut it down by 30, 40%. And just, you're going to have faith in something bigger than yourself, and understand that you were made by something special, and the defenses are inside of you. The answers are inside of you. The Creator who loves you is not going to send you here without the answers or the solutions, but you have to make sure you remember that eating healthy, going to bed on time, drinking clean water, exercising, that keeps your vessel in top shape and helps you remember what you're going to do when you're faced with this evil again. And this is why this group shuts down the churches. They don't want any connection. You see that Christianity and the churches were heavily targeted during COVID. If you don't believe in God, let me tell you one thing. They close the churches down because they do. They don't care if you believe in God. They absolutely do.